Hey Data Fellows, this is Lee from ZoomCharts and I'm here to share some very exciting news. We just released the completely free developer license which is available to any Power BI report developer. If you want to try out all ZoomCharts visuals, experiment with all of their features and see how they work in your Power BI reports, now is the perfect moment. We welcome you to take this opportunity now by signing up to get your developer's license using the link in the description. And here's how it works in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to enter your work email address to create your developer account on the ZoomCharts website. In your dashboard, you will see that you have an active developer license. To validate, click on it and download the JSON theme file. This contains all license information and will automatically validate all of ZoomCharts visuals for the entire report at once. Then, add the theme file to your Power BI report. Go to the View tab and click on the Themes panel. Locate the JSON file that you just downloaded. We recommend that you do this at the very beginning so that the visuals are licensed before you start working on your report. Now you can download any visuals from AppSource and it will be licensed for your report. All of the features, customization settings, fields and interactions will be unlocked. Use your new visuals to create reports with powerful drill downs and intuitive user experience. The developer license will allow you to create and use reports only in Power BI Desktop, but if you want to share your reports with your colleagues or publish them in your workspace, you can also get the 30-day trial license, which will work with all other Power BI capacities, not just desktop. So they too can experience your reports and see the value of ZoomCharts visuals in action. And back on this page, you can find a section to review all of ZoomCharts visuals available for your reports. Go to the products page and scroll down to see just how many visuals we have. Also, you can check out the FAQ if you run into any issues, or do not hesitate to reach out to a friendly team at support@zoomcharts.com. So go ahead, go and get the free developer license right now, and we're wishing you great reporting with ZoomCharts. Goodbye.